No, nee, is lekker.
Brein getrek.
Dit is mooi vetterig.
Top of the fucking morning, everyone. Hier is ons braaidag bereid. Papara. As julle gedink julle is reg vir braai. Vandag is die dag vir braaidag.
Pensies.
You have a puppy dog growing out of your legs. Yeah, hello to Everest. Making coffee early in the morning.
Elke keer as ek iemand sien suiker so gooi dan sê ek soos
Strooi suiker oor my, da. Cappuccino. Ja. Net die mense wat nie glo ons begin so fucking vroeg in die môre nie, kyk daar.
dis so jy braaidag begin.
Vroeg 6:00 die oggend word jy wakker, kry jou gat uit die fucking bed uit, kry vir jou moerkoffie as jy moet, 'n koppie tee, 'n brandewyntjie so vroeg in die oggend vir daai ekstra skop.
Maar andersins, maak seker jy is reg vir braaidag.
Ja, my handjie is nog vol olie en spices.
So dis baie belangrik. Want solank wat jou vleis nat is, gaan hy rook intrek, hy gaan smaak intrek en daai van goeie. So jy wil hom heeltyd nat hou. So apple cider gaan die beste met vark.
Okay.
Maar ek hou vir my apple cider op al my vleis. So ek doen chicken, pork, beef,
Alles
met
apple
dit.
cider.
So dit is letterlik 'n kwessie van elke uur nog 'n smoking block, spuit. Close, low en slow. Dis letterlik ons die hele dag. Dit is 'n baie fun proses toe. Dit is optimal, dit is minimal en dit is easy. Dis net die preparation is die belangrike gedeelte en dis dit. 12, 1, 2. So teen 2 ure het ons al 7 ure gerook. 4, 5, 6. Voor opgechouwd met een bietjie te sien brand hulle. Ja.
6 en 'n bietjie halfies. En dan Dina.
Die ruik ons soet. Dis baie spesiaal toe. Dis hoekom as iemand ooit 'n appelkoos wie vat sy hout. Vat dit.
Okay.
Jy rook met dit.
Ek gaan definitief. En dan het ons wonderlike Evie sniffle. Yes, it is camera. No, don't sniff the finger. Sniff the camera.
So dit is so teen 100 grade gaan ons Braaiday. Ek gaan nou begin optel. So dit is net die begin.
Time for Braai and spray. You know those noobs on Call of Duty. Heechichi. Apple cider vinegar.
Ready for the log.
Time to time log. Nice.
Wow, that smells amazing, dude.
Pressure cooked and then they're going to be bride.
There's still many buttons I don't know.
I was trying to figure out how to swap the camera back because I couldn't swap it the first time, so I just swiped like I would do with my phone, and then it worked. I was like, okay, and then I accidentally pressed the button on the side, and it went like this circly motion. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, and the camera was up like, oh, is that what that button is?
I'm not a Samsung person. That's why all of this I'm like, this is all foreign. Everything is so foreign.
But you understand some of the Asian songs? Because Sam sung a song and that's where we don't understand.
No, these are good. They were already cooking up them on the fries.
Yes.
Save the flavor.
Spanburger.
I'm gonna have chicks. So this is
Yeah, no, we will all die.
Oh, yeah. That's where we won't chicken out.
Oh, look, like, I don't know what we did here, but
this thing smells amazing.
One, two, three. Braaiday!
Goeiemôre vir almal wat kyk. Vir al ons kykers, al die supporters, all the oaks who eat Chilli King for breakfast, lunch, dinner, those who even eat it as a dessert or just as a snack, you know, all those guys, I'm talking to you. Yeah, thank you for, you know, supporting us and for being the awesome chili lovers that you are. En hierdie was net nog 'n legit episode. Baie dankie aan Lance en sy vriende en familie wat die dag kon moontlik maak vir ons om te kan skiet en 'n bietjie van te hê, veral Braaidag met Lance wat ons baie dinge leer. You know, from brisket to pork butt, which I didn't know is not the actual thing I'm sitting on. It's the fucking shoulder.
You know, I was like, That's something new.
But yeah, other than that, we had wings, we had salad and snacks in between. So it was good. Oh, and for dessert, we didn't post that because we finished it the moment it came out. It was cream lemon cheesecake with chocolate mousse. Chocolate's amazing, by the way. That is seriously one of my biggest
Downfalls. This damn chocolate. Well, kudos to the person who invented chocolate, though. Cocoa is amazing.
So it's also then the vanilla custard. Vanilla flavored custard. Yes. Stay tuned for there's an episode coming up with a Braai veteran, aka the fucking Sir. You know, my brother. Yeah, Mr. Chilli King. The one, the only, the creator of it all. And we're gonna do it Chilli King style. Once again, guys, thanks for all the awesome support.
Thanks for everything that everyone does. And best of all, thanks to my bro for being the epic and most supportive brother one can have.
To Heritageday, the day to remember, 2020. Epic Braaiday. And for the rest of the year,
Everyone have a fantastic fucking year.
until the next week's episode. Well,
The next one coming up.
of Chilli King Relish Delish Show.
Yeah.